Hello guys, what's up? It's your boy Fortunate here, and today I'm on my way to Gwangjang Market to try some amazing Korean food, and I can't wait to show you what they have in there. So I'll see you very soon. What's up guys, this is your boy Fortunate and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Gwangjang Market to explore some amazing Korean food. I just got here, it's about lunchtime, so I just arrived here at the perfect time. I'm going to try as many food as I can. So if you're not familiar with traditional Gwangjang Market is a traditional market here in South Korea. It is actually one of the oldest markets here in Seoul, South Korea, and it is located in the Jongno district of Seoul. And this market has over 5,000 shops and over 20,000 employees, man. That is huge, man. So yeah. So this market is not just about food. They have a whole lot of stuff in here. So I have been to this market quite a couple of times whilst I'm staying here in South Korea. But this is my first time in this market after the pandemic, man. And things are not the same. Things are not the same. To be honest, before coronavirus, you wouldn't see all this empty space behind me, man. Yeah, all this empty space wouldn't be behind me. But now, there's a whole lot of space in here. It's almost 2 p.m. here, but you know, the market is not crowded. It's not super crowded. It's just like a normal market.
가나.
아프리카.
아프리카 가나.
가나 알아요?
유튜브?
네, 유튜브.
Really?
네. 오, 영어 알아요. 똑같아요. 한국말 조금 알아요.
똑같아. 오케이. 픽처. 이렇게 해서 여기다 놓고
오케이.
픽처. 왕백.
마약 김밥.
마약 김밥. 언니 여기 앉으세요. 마약 김밥 너무 맛있어요. 잘 치고 있어요.
산낙지.
오케이. and
산낙지.
픽처.
오케이.
왕백.
오, 라면. 오못 카사리. 여기요? 이거.
우뭇가사리. 이것이 우뭇가사리.
오케이. 오케이, 갔다 와요.
and 픽처.
네.
픽처.
자, 잠시만요. Okay, so I have just sat down to enjoy my first meal here at Gwangjang Market, and what I have here is Korean rice cake called Tokkogi. It's just rice cake with some sesame seed, and also it's marinated in creamy chili sauce. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and try this. Oh man, it looks kind of bouncy. Oh man. Oh man, it's good. I love this, man. So it's very chewy, kind of sticky, and it's very bouncy as well, you know. And all the flavor is coming from the sauce. It is spicy. It's also very sweet. Oh man, this is amazing. That sauce is amazing. Okay, I'll take this one. I have a whole lot of sesame seed on it, together with the chili and Tokkogi as well. Oh man. It's amazing, man. So the lady was telling me that this sauce is made of Korean chili called shukukaro, and there is also sugar in here, and there is other stuff. But the sauce is very sweet, quite spicy, and I can also feel the sesame seed flavor also in there. Oh man! The next one I have here is called udeng. It's a Korean fish cake. It's very popular here in South Korea. So you actually get these two pieces for 3,000 won, which is almost like $3. Yeah, and then it's served in a big bowl. But they have two versions of this. Then they have the spicy one, which is you're gonna eat the udeng with the same sauce as the Tokkogi sauce. So I'm going to try one. For one of them, I'm going to just try it raw, and then the second one I'll go with the spicy sauce. Yeah. So there is sesame, there is seaweed in here, and the broth. I'm not very sure what is in the broth, but let's see. Let's find out. Okay. Oh man. Amazing. So this, on the other hand, is a bit salty, very soft, easy to chew, and has a lot of fish flavor in here. It's amazing. I love this thing. Wow.
Yeah, kimchi. Real kimchi.
Oh, okay. Also with that, so she just gave me kimchi, another version of Korean kimchi.
Real kimchi.
The name is
Real kimchi.
Kimchi. I'll go ahead and try this. So the vegetable is very crunchy. I feel a lot of onion flavor in here, which is amazing. Okay, I'll try the udeng, and this time I'm going to try it with the sauce. Yeah, I think it's not enough. Hold on. Yeah. Oh man. Okay, now it's spicy and sweet. I still feel the fish flavor in here. It's amazing. I want to get more of that sauce. Oh man. Another thing that comes with the udeng is this rectangular shape snack called jubu. I am not very sure what it's made of. She tried to explain to me, but then my Korean is not so good, so I couldn't get her point. But anyway, I'll go ahead and try it. It is very soggy, very soft. So the closest thing I can compare this to is kind of like a fried egg. Almost like a fried egg. It's very soft, and because of the broth, it's a bit salty. And most of the flavor is coming from the broth, man. Yeah. Okay, so I'll get this with the chili sauce, with some chili. That was a spicy one, very good. So the last meal I'm going to try here is this one here. It's called Japchae. It's made from glass noodle. So how she makes this is she takes the glass noodle, which is already marinated in another sauce, and then she put it in the udon broth for a few seconds together with the carrot, and then she takes it out and put it in a bowl, and then she adds Gwangjang sauce and other sauces, and she also adds sugar. That's one interesting thing. Anyway, so I'll go ahead and try this. So the flavor in here is a bit peppery, like black pepper flavor. And the noodle is very soft and slippery, man.
김치. 이거를 여기다 한 입.
Another Korean style is to get some more kimchi. I like spicy, so I'm gonna take some. And she's worried about me with the chili, man. But I like spicy food, so it's okay. And then I'm going to take some.
Okay. 아이고 아이고.
Oh man. This is amazing, man. So she's very worried about me because the chili is very spicy. Indeed, it's spicy, but it's okay for me. I like spicy food, so I'm not very much worried about that. Yeah, but the mul kimchi together with the japchae is amazing, man. It's a great combination.
slow.
So this is why I end today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I believe there's going to be a part 2 of this video, man. There is so much food that I don't think I can try every food in here today. I'll see you again in my next video. Stay safe, subscribe to the channel, and let's meet on my next video. Peace.